Aiming here to the laser cutter. I have a Sculpfun F9 or S9 within a 10 watt laser, and then I have a 2mm plywood over there. So I'm going to start it right now. If you hear all these other fans and stuff, I don't have a suction to the outside, so I have to use this noisy fan. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to move this head away. So I just laser the let's see, right here. I just lasered, there we go. I was turn around a little bit. I just lasered these. Now I'm going to cut them out, okay? So I engraved them and I'm going to cut them out. The only way you can do that is if your laser cutter starts from the same point all the time, and then I have a rail here and here, so the plywood is always in the same spot. So even if I lift it, I can put it back down and it's going to do it correctly. So now we're going to go to the cuts, and then we're going to turn on the cutting part and take out the engraving, and we're going to go home. I have micro switches, one here and one over there, that sets the home position, and then I hit start, and it's going to cut the two small earrings. And I just resized them. They were much bigger, and I want to engrave the same thing on the other side, and I'm going to show you how I do that. This will just take a minute because intentionally made these simple and small so it can be cut in a short period of time. It's almost done cutting. There we go. So I'm going to now push the laser away, and I'm going to pull out the board, and as you can see, there we go, as you can see, it's empty here. That's because they are right here in a corner. Let me just show you what they look like. And now I'm going to flip them to the blank side, and I'm going to engrave them same thing on the front as was on the front. And the way you do that is you just put this back to the same spot, insert the earrings in that spot, and actually on here it's going to be a problem. We'll try, because it's not a symmetrical earring, so it's very difficult to flip it over. Now we're going to go home again. Okay, and now we're going to turn off the cutting and turn on the engraving, and then hit start. Oh, the wind, alright. That's not going to work very well because the air pump blew one of those stars, one of those earrings away. But it still did a great job on this one. I don't know if it's in focus or not. Anyway, I'm going to try to make the other one also in this spot. There we go. And we're going to go home and start. and there it is. So it's working. The only thing that you don't flip this way to do the other side. Leave it like this, and then stick it back in to the appropriate spot, and then you can do a different design on the back or identical. So it's double-sided, okay? And I will show you some rings. Let me go ahead and shut off all this noise here. I'm going to bring some earrings that I made. I forgot to bring it before I started this video, and I need to make sure that you guys can see what I'm doing. So here's a bag of earrings that I make, and I give them away to friends, and my wife gives them to her friends and stuff. So these ones I separated into a bag because I painted the other side, and I only did engraving only on one side. So I made sure that they are in pairs and they don't get mixed up. So these are the largest ones I make. As you can see, it's double-sided. I hope that camera is focusing well. So here's a set. Let's see, I'm losing. And this earring is popular. This one right here. I don't know if I should put it behind my hand. There we go. It's basically a rectangle, and that's pretty popular. Again, both sides are engraved. And then these little ones, these were one of the most popular because they are again both-sided, and because they remind people holidays. And so these earrings, you know, I've been giving them away to people who visited my house during the what was this? Just the last holiday, Halloween. Because I'm very unconventional. I say gave them candy, but I basically gave also the females, the moms, I gave them earrings, and they were very pleased with that. Let's see, do I have another design in this bag? Yes, I do. And here is the circular, and this was also popular. And there are some people who like large earrings. There are some people who want them small. So I make a variety of them, and here's an example. And again, it's double-sided, so you can wear it on either ear. And some people like to combine two completely different earrings together. So, you know, as I said, you can make people happy with just a simple, you know, simple designs like I made. You know, I just started in this, so I'm not very good at it, but it's been very, very good to see the people's reaction, and that they like what I made, you know, not because it was free, but they actually wanted to buy it. And I told them, I says, I'm retired, and I'm just trying to have fun. So I didn't want to sell them. I just gave them away. So that's about it about to this video. Thank you for watching.
For people who want to see my setup, over here I have a Creality Ender 5 Plus 3D printer. I have another one in the other room. And here I have a dedicated laptop for the laser cutter as well as for the printer. And here's the printer. I mean the laser cutter, we really should call it, engraver, what have you. So these are some of my creations. Dodecahedron, this one, and the super large one, and those are decahedron. So I make quite a few other things, not just earrings. I made this car right here that uses voice control, and it will make it go wherever you tell it, left, right, forward, backwards. And then here's my second kingdom, as I call it. Here is my first 3D printer by Simi CNC, Rostock 2, updated to 3. And my electronic stuff is just your head will spin when you are here. So that should do. Have a great day.